Which Coravin system should you actually buy in 2026? You have the basic model, which is the Pivot, then the Timeless 3 Plus and 6 Plus, which are the co-author of Coravin, and then you have a special system for sparkling wine. So instead of going into technical details, I'll break it down in a very simple way based on how you actually drink wine in real life. My name is Garry, I'm a WSET3 qualified sommelier, and the first big divide is very clear. Timeless and Pivot systems are designed for still wines, and Coravin Sparkling is specifically made for champagne and other sparkling wines. They solve completely different problems. The Timeless systems allow you to pour wine without removing the cork, so you insert a needle through the cork, press the trigger, pour the wine, and the cork naturally reseals while the remaining wine is protected from oxygen thanks to the argon inert gas inside the system. In practice, this means you can open a good bottle, have one glass, and come back to it days or even weeks later with the wine still in very good condition. I've been using the Timeless 6 Plus system, and once you get used to it, the process is extremely natural. Place it on the bottle, insert the needle, tilt and pour almost like a normal bottle, pulling this little trigger here to put the argon gas from the capsule inside the bottle, and then just remove it when you're done. One thing that is very important to understand is that the 3 Plus and 6 Plus systems are exactly the same in terms of technology. They do the same job in exactly the same way. The difference is only in the design. The 3 Plus is the more essential, streamlined version. It gives you everything you need to start pouring wine by a glass without pulling the cork. The 6 Plus feels a bit more premium. It has better materials, more refined design, and a more complete set of accessories in the box. So you got this little tiny wine aerator, which helps you aerate the wine even without decanting it. It has 3 capsules with inert gas in kit instead of 2 in 3 Plus model. It has 6 screw caps instead of 2, which allows you to open more bottles with a screw cap, but generally it is the same system. From a practical perspective, there are also a couple of important details to keep in mind. After using the system, it is always better to leave the bottle upright for a bit so the cork can reseal properly. If you immediately store it on the side, you might get small leaks, little drops, especially with younger corks, which is not particularly pleasant. Another key point is the condition of the cork itself. With younger wines, no problem at all, but with older bottles, like maybe 25, 30 and even more years, cork can become fragile. If you gently press it in and feels soft or kind of unstable, it's better not to use a needle system. That's where the basic Coravin Pivot becomes a very useful alternative. Pivot works a little bit differently. You remove the cork first and replace it with a stopper, and then you can pour wine while still protecting it from oxidation. It is a more basic system, less costly as well, but also more forgiving, especially when you're dealing with older wines. And Coravin Sparkling, as its name unambiguously says, is for sparkling wines. With sparkling wines, the problem is not oxygen, it is pressure. Once you open a bottle of champagne or cava or whatever, the bubbles start disappearing almost immediately. Even with standard stoppers, you might get one day at best before the wine starts to feel flat, and Coravin Sparkling uses CO2 to maintain pressure inside the bottle, which allows the wine to stay fresh and properly sparkling for up to 4 weeks. So realistically, there are very few solutions on the market that can do this properly, because normally when you open a bottle of bubbles, you have to drink it right now. That is why half bottles are more popular for sparkling wines than for still wines. So if you enjoy sparkling wine but don't want to finish the bottle in one sitting, this is essentially your only serious option. If you like having one glass on weekend, opening a better bottle without committing to it, or even serving different wines with different dishes, the Timeless system fits perfectly into that kind of lifestyle. The choice between 3 Plus and 6 Plus is really all about how often you use it and whether you care about the more premium design and feel and extra accessories, because to me there is not so much difference between them. If you often deal with older bottles or want something simpler, more flexible, Pivot is a safer option, and it is more affordable as as well. It is especially useful when you suspect the cork might be fragile or kind of damaged, but it is also a more just affordable, less costly alternative entry point into the Coravin ecosystem. The trade-off is that Pivot doesn't preserve wine for as long as the timeless system, because you still need to remove the cork, which starts the oxidation process. That said, it still gives you a very practical window, officially up to 4 weeks, but realistically I would say around 2 weeks with perfect condition where the wine stays very good. So it's a great balance between flexibility, price and performance. And if you enjoy champagne or any other sparkling wines regularly, Coravin Sparkling is a category of its own. It allows you to enjoy it over time in a way that simply wasn't possible before. From my perspective, all of them kind of make sense, but only if they match your habits. I use 6+ and sparkling model at home almost every day, but of course you decide what's the best option for you. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description, and see you in the next one. Cheers!